How to buy meme tokens on Sui. Hello and welcome back. If you are looking for the simplest, fastest, most secure way to buy meme tokens or any kind of token for that matter on the Sui blockchain, then look no further. This is going to be a complete tutorial from start to finish of how to do exactly that. So let's get right into it. So step one, you're going to want to obtain yourself Sui, probably from a centralized exchange, maybe one of the ones on this list. Doesn't really matter where you get it from, but crucially, you need to be able to buy Sui and then send it from the venue where you purchase it to your Sui wallet. We're going to set up the Sui wallet in the next step. So now you have got yourself some Sui, you're going to want to get yourself a wallet. The best one I've found is called Suiet. I will link that in the description below. I believe the name, which I'm probably not pronouncing correctly, is some combination of the words Sui and wallet, Suiet. In any case, Suiet, like most web wallets, has a Chrome extension. That's going to be the easiest way to interact with the DEX that we're going to be doing later. So go ahead and add that to Chrome using this big button that says Chrome. We're going to go and add the extension here. Add extension. I'm going to pin that just to make this easier. So let's open up the extension, and the next thing we need to do is create a new wallet by clicking here where it says create new. Set up a password for yourself. You're now going to be shown your seed phrase. Obviously, you don't want to share this on a screen share like I'm doing right now. Best thing to do with this is to write it down literally with pen and paper and store it somewhere very, very secure. Better yet, memorize it if you're up to that, but probably not. This is the only time you're going to be shown your seed recovery phrase. It's absolutely essential that you save this at this step. Now that you are into your brand new Sui wallet, you want to click receive, and this is going to bring up your wallet address. So you can copy that by clicking here. Now you're going to go back to whichever venue you purchased the Sui at and use this as the receiving address to send Sui to this wallet. I'm not going to show it because I bought it on Coinbase, which I just fudded in the last video. All right, so now our wallet is loaded up with Sui. The next step is going to be to go to a venue where we can swap that Sui for meme tokens or whichever kind of token you would like to swap it for. The best solution I found for this is an aggregator called Hop Aggregator. That's Hop, like the thing that they make beer out of, aggregator like aggregator. The benefit of using an aggregator over a DEX is that it draws on liquidity from multiple different venues, meaning you can get better prices. I'm going to leave a link to this one in the description below so that you can find it more easily than searching on Google like I just did. The next step is going to be to connect your Sui wallet to Hop Aggregator. So we go up to the top right hand corner here where it says connect wallet. Hit that, collect Suiet, and I've connected already. If you haven't, you're just going to be asked for your password and you're going to click yes, connect wallet. So our wallet is now connected to Hop Aggregator. We're going to find something to go and swap out. Here's a token I've been watching over the last day or so. This is called Sui Nami. Obviously a combination of the words Sui and Nami combined to sound like the name of a very, very large destructive force of nature in the form of a massive wave. Suinami, where the power of tsunami meets the playful spirit of a surf-loving Shiba Inu. There we go. We've got a bit of Shiba Inu in there as well. Absolutely perfect. Currently sitting at a market cap of around $2.5 million. Of course, this is the point at which you'd want to do your own research. As always, we like to start that on DEX Screener because it's a great place to see all the information you might want to find out about a token in the same place. Nice volume, a little bit of a pullback. I would generally like to buy deeper into the pullback instead of buying right now as we're kind of bouncing back from that pullback. I would consider this aping in, but we're going to do it anyway for the sake of the video. As ever, not financial advice. This is purely for informational and entertainment purposes. But you want to scroll down here in DEX Screener and copy over the contract address where it says Nami here. Copy that. Then we're going to go back into Hop Aggregator. Where it says you receive, you want to select the drop-down menu here, and at the search bar, go and paste in the contract address. Make sure it's the right one, obviously, for the token that you just found, and analyze very carefully the token that you did your own due diligence on. I'm going to copy across the contract address, select it here, we can see, Nami, perfect. And then you're going to enter how much Sui you are willing to part with in order to make this transaction. For the purposes of demonstration, I'm going with 250 Sui, and you can see that buys us approximately 1.8 million Nami. You come down here, click on trade, and you're going to be asked to approve that within your wallet, in this case, Suiet. And we can see the transaction is taking place down here in the bottom right. Transaction finalized in 2.9 seconds. Sui, of course, known for its speed. That was very fast indeed. And you can see now, if we open up Suiet, or our Sui wallet of choice, the transaction was successful because we do indeed have 1.8 million Nami sitting in our wallet. And when it comes time to sell the token and take your profits, as you always should, you simply want to do the reverse of that. From right now, we could simply click reverse here. Or if you're opening this on a new day, you could go up to You Pay here, select the drop-down menu, and again, copy-paste your contract address for Nami, and then choose what you want to swap that back to, probably Sui. Thank you so much for listening. Hope that was useful. Plenty more to come. Catch you in the next one. Cheers.